Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Vivo V27 supports NFC and that Android is up to date. This avoids compatibility hiccups. Open Settings and go straight to NFC, then switch it on so the phone can read and write tags. Make sure power-saving modes are off because they can disable radio scans. Once done, place the NFC tag near the top rear of the phone, about 1-2 centimeters, to detect. You need a steady hold until the phone confirms. This establishes the initial connection reliably. Now you decide whether to read or write. Open the NFC Reader app or the phone's native tool, then select Read, Write, or Emulate mode depending on your goal. For writing, pick the record type, URL, text, or custom MIME, and enter the content. Tap Write and keep the tag steady near the detection zone. If the tag needs formatting, use the app's Format option first. This clears previous data and prevents write errors. Make sure the tag capacity matches your payload size. Finish by testing the tag on a second NFC-enabled device to confirm the payload and behavior. This validates success. If the data should not change, consider locking the tag. Understand that locks are permanent, so only lock when ready. If the phone won't detect the tag, first toggle NFC off and on, then restart the Vivo V27. Make sure any case isn't blocking the antenna. If problems persist, try a different tag type or clear the app cache before repeating the right.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.